Wise Agent's Do Not Contact feature helps you manage communication preferences directly within your CRM, making it easier to respect your client's requests and maintain organized contact records. With this feature, you can quickly mark contacts who should not receive certain types of communication, whether that's phone calls, text messages, or email outreach. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to access the Do Not Contact settings, apply communication restrictions to contacts, and how Wise Agent automatically enforces those preferences across your marketing tools. To get started, go to the Contact Summary page for the person whose communication preferences you want to manage. From the Actions drop-down menu, select DNC. Here, you'll see options to restrict different communication channels. These include flag only, phone only, and phone and email. Choose the DNC type you would like to apply and click Save. A red DNC banner will appear at the top of the contact record. To add multiple contacts to the DNC at once, go to Contacts and then Contact List. You can use the search filters to filter your contacts, then select the names of the contacts you wish to add to DNC. From the menu bar, choose the ellipses icon for more options and select DNC. Once a contact has been marked with a Do Not Contact restriction, Wise Agent will automatically prevent outreach through the appropriate channels. Here's what each DNC type does. Flag only is a visual indicator only. It doesn't block emails or text messages and is used purely for internal record keeping. Phone only blocks texting and prevents the contact from being dialed through the built-in power dialer. Phone and email is the most restrictive selection. The contact's phone number and email address will be added to the SMS and email blacklist, blocking all outgoing email and SMS communications and preventing dialing through the built-in power dialer. Together, these options help ensure that communication preferences are consistently respected across your entire account. Wise Agent makes it easy to spot DNC contacts at a glance. On your main call list, any contact with a Do Not Contact restriction will display a red DNC pill next to their name. You can also filter for DNC contacts from your contact list. Go to Contacts, then Contact List, and use the search filters to sort by DNC status. Under Search Groups, type DNC to access the following filter options: Not on DNC, on DNC, flag only, phone and email. This makes it simple to find and manage contacts based on their communication preferences at any time. Because these restrictions are visible within the contact record, it's easy for agents, team members, or brokers to quickly see a contact's preferences before reaching out. It's a good idea to update communication preferences anytime a client requests to opt out of calls, texts, or emails. By documenting preferences and letting the system automatically enforce those restrictions, you can focus on building relationships with the clients who want to hear from you. If you ever need help setting up or managing your contacts, our Wise Agent support team is available 24/7 and always happy to assist. You can reach us at help@wiseagent.com or by phone at 480-836-0345. Thanks for being a part of the Wise Agent community, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.